Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today's video is about delicious Indo Chinese starter Veg Lollipop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have taken 4 boiled medium-sized potatoes and we will now grate it. Now take 50 grams of paneer and grate it as well. Add it to the potatoes. To this add grated carrots half a cup. Finely chopped cabbage half a cup. Don't grate the cabbage, otherwise it will lose water. Spring onions 1/3 cup. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon. And little lemon juice approximately half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And with the help of your hands, now mix everything well. Everything is properly mixed. I have now taken 2 bread slices. This is for the binding. So depending upon the moisture in the mixture that we have prepared, you can take 2 to 3 numbers of bread slices. I have passed it to a mixer grinder and added to it. Now finally we will add the seasoning. We added salt at the end because we didn't want the vegetables to lose water and make our mixture little bit soggy. Otherwise you will have to add more bread slices and you will lose out the flavor. To prepare the lollipops, take some ice cream sticks. You can get it easily in any grocery store or a stationery shop. Now take some oil and smear your hands with it. Take a little mixture and we will now try to make an oblong shape just like that of a lollipop. Take the ice cream stick and insert it into the mixture. Press down the mixture a little bit with the help of your hands. This will ensure that the lollipop will stick properly to the ice cream stick and it will not slip away. So I have finally got the desired shape. I will prepare the rest like this. We got total 9 lollipops out of the entire mixture. In a separate bowl, now take 1/4 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and salt as per taste. We will now add water gradually to it. So we are basically trying to prepare a slurry which is neither too thick or thin. So just gradually add water. This is the required consistency we are looking at. Now take one lollipop and cover it entirely with this slurry. Just dab off the excess liquid and we will now transfer this lollipop to the plate of breadcrumbs. Cover your lollipop entirely with the breadcrumbs. Make sure that you get a uniform coating on all the sides. Just dab off the excess breadcrumbs and your lollipop is now ready. I will prepare the rest like this. All the lollipops are now ready. It's time to now fry them. I have taken oil in a kadhai and it's already been heating on medium flame. We will now fry the lollipops. I'll be frying 2 lollipops at one time. Just make sure that flame is on medium. So first we will fry from one side till it's golden brown and then we will turn our lollipops and fry it from the other side as well. The lollipops are now completely fried. Guys, look at this color, so beautiful golden brown. This is what we wanted and we will now fry rest of the lollipops also like this. Transfer it to a kitchen towel to absorb the extra oil. If you want, you can serve your lollipop as it is, but I am going to prepare a really delicious sauce for it. Before that, just look at the texture and the crunchiness. It's time to prepare the sauce now. Heat some oil in a pan, approximately 1 teaspoon. To this add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We'll just saute it for a minute. Then add red chilli powder and water, approximately 3/4 cup. So I accidentally added red chilli powder first, but you can add the sauces first and then red chilli powder followed by water. Now we will add rest of the seasoning and the sauces. Add salt as per taste. Red chilli flakes 1 teaspoon. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon, red chili sauce 1 teaspoon, tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon. Also add little vinegar, approximately half a teaspoon. Also add cornflour slurry with 2 teaspoons of corn flour and water. and then add little honey as per your taste. We will now allow this sauce to come to a boil. You will notice that it will start to thicken gradually and it will also darken in color. Once this has happened, you will switch off the flame and you will allow your sauce to cool down completely. The sauce has now completely cooled down. I'll now take the lollipop and I'll cover it entirely with the sauce. You have to do this step only a few minutes before the serving time. Otherwise your lollipops will become soggy and it might slip off from the ice cream stick. Prepare all your lollipops like this. In order to serve it, I'll create a bed of cabbage and we will place all the lollipops on it. Also keep extra sauce that we prepared. Garnish it with some spring onions and sesame seeds. It's now time to grab a bite. Enjoy! Please do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.